Hi, I'm Nick Swayze with Keystone RV, and I'm the product manager for our Bullet division. Today I'd like to show you a few features of our 277 BHS Bullet that sets it apart from the competition. One thing you'll notice, as in all of our bunk models in our Bullet lineup, we have in each bunk 2 windows, a cubby for electronics and toys, as well as an outlet for charging those electronics. Moving into the spacious bathroom, you'll find a full tub shower with surround, marine grade toilet, as well as lavatory with medicine cabinet. Looking at our booth dinette, you'll find nice storage access underneath each bench seat. That way you don't have to pull off your cushions to get to your items underneath. Standard in every Bullet is a 68-inch trifold sofa, which makes out into a comfortable sleeping area compared to a lot of the competition that's using a jackknife. It's also quite a bit longer than most of the competition. That full 68 inches just makes it a lot more seating than a standard 60-inch that we find in most of the competition. In our kitchens, you'll find a 6 cubic foot refrigerator, as well as a range with a flush mount glass top range cover. One thing that really sets us apart in this segment of the industry is the stainless steel sink, where most of the competition has a plastic sink. You also have a nice residential high-rise faucet. One unique feature to Bullet is our valance lighting. For nighttime, gives it a little bit of an accent light, so you're not having to turn on all your bright lights just to move around the trailer. All of our entertainment centers also now have nice decorative glass backlit with LEDs. We include a 32-inch LED TV in every Bullet. A lot of the competition don't offer TVs, or it's optional. Every Bullet will have one installed, as well as a nice Furrion AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth radio with a lot of great connections here, like the USB and auxiliary. Moving into the bedroom, you'll find a unique feature to Bullet, which is our laundry chute, which enables you to not have to use your wardrobe storage for dirty clothes. On each side of the bed, you'll find a nice wardrobe area with a hanging bar, as well as deep cabinets overhead. For more on our Bullet and Premier travel trailers, please visit KeystoneRV.com. Thanks for watching.